this video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things that you must do in order to go full-time on YouTube fast. Now, if you don't apply this advice, you may never go full-time, or you'll have to wait years. But if you do, then you can go full-time in as little as 1 to 3 months. And I know this because I've done it myself, a lot of my clients have, as well as the people who I work with. And no, I'm not referencing the YouTube monetization program. I'm talking about having the right strategies and the right mindset. Now, if you want that to be you, then go ahead and drop a hashtag I am a creator down below, as well as like and subscribe and tune in for daily videos. So like I said, I am going full-time on YouTube, and a lot of it just came down to the right mindset and the right strategies. So the first thing that you must do in order to go full-time on YouTube is to treat it as your full-time gig. So if YouTube was your full-time job, what would you be doing every day? So for me, that included making daily videos. And I'm not saying that you have to make daily videos, but I would try to post at least minimum 3 to 5 times a week when you get started, because that'll really get you in momentum. And just by being disciplined for a few weeks, you will start to build the habit. And this book right here talks a lot about it. Currently reading it for the 2nd time, but it talks about how you only need to be disciplined for a short amount of time, because it takes on average about 67 days to build a habit. So once you start to create videos and you get in that momentum, it'll be so much easier to really generate that content, and that will give you traction on YouTube because the algorithm will favor it, and yeah, it'll help you to go full-time even faster. And so to do this every day, you want to do something that's in alignment with YouTube, something that'll move the needle forward, and you also want to get clear on your vision so that you know what it is that you're working towards. So that's number 1. The second thing that you must do is to model success. And this is so important because you don't want to reinvent the wheel. And when I say model success, I'm not saying copy anyone, because you don't want to copy. You want to be uniquely yourself, but just model success and see what already works. So if there is a YouTuber in your niche who's doing something that you want to do, go study them. Like, go look at their websites, go look at their products and their services, even study what their lifestyle is like and what kind of books that they read. Because remember, success leaves clues. So you want to just study these people like crazy, and yeah, just take notes. And like I said, if you do it that way, then you don't have to spend a lot of time doing trial and error, because even a lot of times, like in their YouTube videos, they'll probably tell you a lot of the mistakes that they made. And that's something that I did as well in one of my past videos. I'll link it up at the top somewhere so that you can watch it, and yeah, just learn from their mistakes so that you don't make them as well. So that's number 2. Number 3 is so key, and this is the difference between generating livable income and not. And this is designing a funnel. So what is a funnel? I've talked a lot about it before, but essentially what a funnel is it's a way to lead people into your higher ticket products or services. And so to explain this really briefly, like people watch your YouTube videos, and then you can offer something for free, and then at the end there's a call to action to buy a higher ticket product, and then it goes all the way down to your most expensive product, whatever that may be. Maybe that's like a course, or maybe it's like one-on-one coaching or some type of program that you designed. And so you want to design this funnel, and not only that, but you want to drive traffic to it. So to really get this working for you, you have to post consistent content. You have to create videos that actually attract your ideal avatar. Then you have to have a call to action in your videos. Call to action is so important, because that's the difference between doing YouTube as a hobby and actually connecting a business to it. Because if you don't market, if you don't call people to action, then they're not going to take that next step in the funnel. And then the 4th thing that you must do is you must get good at sending emails to people, because a lot of times if you offer something for free and maybe people aren't ready at the time to buy it, well, at least you have their email, so you can send them email sequences, you can nurture them, and maybe further down the road they'll be ready to buy your product or your service. So the emails, the point of them isn't to necessarily sell, but it's to really build that relationship and get them to know, like, and trust you. And then finally, when it comes to the funnel, the fifth thing you want to do is you want to automate everything eventually. So, you don't want to be sending like emails like all the time. You want to set like automation sequences so that when somebody buys a product or a service, or when they sign up for your email list, then they'll get nurtured automatically. And then you don't have to put in all that time and energy. And then when you do that, then you can really start to scale your business and your YouTube channel. And then you can go full-time fast and make more money than people do in the YouTube monetization program. And if you would like to learn more about this funnel, I do have a free mini course out, which you can sign up for down below. And in that, I really go into depth with how you can set this up for yourself and to start generating real income. So yeah, you can sign up for that down below, as well as like and subscribe and drop a hashtag I am a creator if you have not yet already. And thanks for watching until the end. Until next time, bye.